Crude oil traded with moderate bearishness moving towards the support zone at 68.4, while on the upside 69.4, 69.6 is again proving out to be a greater resistance, while it is natural gas which is beautifully traded bullish again hitting 3.43 levels. What to expect now from oil and gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels so that you can trade profitably throughout the day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Oil on the early charts, you can see it has come down towards the next crucial support at 68.4 and it is trying to bounce back. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned once it trades below 69, 68.8, it stays short for 68.4. And now it is trying to post a little recovery on the upside. Again, the same level 69.3, 69.6 is what you should watch out for. Any move above 69.3, 69.6 should be a good indication. Most importantly, what has happened today is it has breached the support zone here, that is 68.8. This was the third time it has taken the support. Now it is trading well below this. Let's hope for a recovery here, but right now the stance is bearish. The moving averages have crossed over. Again, it is a bearish indication here. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading sharply bearish. I'll wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. The RSI is rising from the oversold zone here. Coming to the two on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Now this is the threshold it needs to break at 69.3, 69.6 zone. If it does breaches this zone towards 69.3 and 69.6, you can say now we are looking forward to a reversal. Else right now the stance is bearish, but when you see the momentum here, the drop, the retracement, the drop, bigger the drop calls for a bigger retracement. Even if it is to drop, it can try to retrace a little. The highs could be again at around 70.2, 70.5 zone. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is extremely bearish. The RSI is at bottom here. On the 3-hour chart, we have similar observation here on the 3-hour charts as well, forming a double bottom, trying to bounce back. We can expect a lower highs here, and if this zone is taken, that is the point of time you can say that the bulls are back. See, the moving averages crossing over here on the 3-hour charts is an important observation. Also, it is coming out of the support zone at 68.8 is another observation which we should be careful of. And thus now a drop below 68.4 should take it towards 68, 67.8 zone and then towards 67.5. If you look at on the upside, see, this crossover is definitely very important observation, and the moving averages are now looking downwards, which is certainly a bearish sign. But notice that the stochastic is oversold. This also calls for a recovery, and the MACD has also hit the lows here. So let's wait for a crossover here which will confirm the reversal. RSI is trying to bounce back. That is again a good sign here for a little recovery. On the 4-hour, the observation is same thing, bouncing back from the support zone. It is very important now for oil to break beyond 69.2, 69.3 zone. Very important these levels are. If this zone is taken, you can look forward to 69.5, 69.6. And if that is taken, we can look forward to a move above 70. Possibility is there because see, if you look at the formation, if you track this, you can say that this is forming a nice flag. And if you look at the flag here, let me draw it in a correct way, in a proper way for you. This is the nice flag here, and now once it trades beyond 69.6, the chances will be high that 70.2, 70.5 will be seen here. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is extremely bearish. The RSI is rising from the bottom here. Coming to the now, before we look at daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to which offers you a swap-free account with lowest suspects and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, when you see the daily, see, this is the 4th to 5th candle. For the entire week, we have seen it is struggling to break beyond 70.6, 70.8 zone, and this is the 5th straight candle. When you see the daily charts here, the important point to note here is the 4 attempts it is made to breach this zone, and on the upside consistently lower lows are seen. So if you look at the momentum here in oil, you can find out it is trading in this sideways box here. On the upside 72, on the downside 66. So this is the $6 zone it has to come out of in order to confirm now a breakout. Yes, it is consolidated enough. It needs to take a direction either which ways. Right now, if you look at the move for the day, it has breached the support zone. It is looking downwards. Now, yes, it could still turn green. See what has happened. If it can turn red from trading in green, it can turn green from trading in red. So that is what you should watch out for. Also notice that it is delivering lower highs and lower lows here. So this is a nice flag here, it needs to come out of. So looking at this, if you see oil trading above 769 levels, buy here for 69.2, 69.3. See, I will say rather those who want to trade safe, wait for 69.2, 69.3 to be taken. Then the target should be at 69.5, 69.6 first, and then 70.1 the second. If that is taken, chances will be high that we may see 70.5, 70.6 again. Beyond this, it should call for a reversal and a breakout on the, while the stance right now is not so much supportive of further bullishness. Thus be careful at around 69, 69.2 zone on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling and 68.4 levels. The low higher price has to be below 68.4 in order to turn bearish here, where you can expect 68, 67.8 as a very crucial support, 67.5 as the next, and then below that 67 level should appear as the greater support, below which a greater correction in the coming week can be expected. But again, I'll say these are greater supports available at around 66, 67 zone. Be mindful of this. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. On the hourly charts has hit higher highs after breaking above 3.4 levels today. It has moved towards 3.43. Now it appears it is trying to consolidate a bit before taking a direction. It is taking trading in this nice bullish channel, and this is a moderate bullish channel, not yet confirming of reversal or bearishness here. Thus only selling entry today is below 3.35. That is confirmed. If you see net gas below 3.3534, that is the only point below which you can take that the bears are back. Else also notice a increasing bullish pattern, a swing candle here, and now in fact 3.38 if it takes, we can look forward to 3.3634, and below that more bearishness. But right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish. Remember also, I have mentioned several times that the near-term targets for natural gas is towards 3.36, 3.8, 3.4 zone. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over here at the top and trading with moderate bearishness. Yes, it has seen a good rise. It is not that it cannot rise further, but these are the levels from which it always tries to retrace. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, the observation is same here. You can say that after a bit of retracement, prices tried to fly here, but I can say that the bulls appear to have exhausted. Look at the preceding candle, comes with a very small body and a bigger wick on the upside. Now if you see, it is staying below 3.38, 3.36, 3.35 levels. You can say more bearishness should prevail, which can take net gas towards 3.3, 3.32 zone, and below that more bearishness can be seen here. The stochastic is showing a rise. The MACD has seen a good rise already, and it is just staying in green, looking upwards. The RSI is also staying overbought here for natural gas. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same here on the 3 hour charts. The most important one, look at this, none of the candles closed above below 3.36 zone, and certainly slightly higher closing is seen with every candle. And the next one is at 3.3534. So as long as 3.3534 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. But see, once it turns red, there could be a slight pull on the downside. So I will still say those who want to trade safe, you have to wait for 3.3534 zone be taken, and below that it may try to proceed with a little correction towards 3.3 levels, 3.28, and then 3.25 levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still rising, looking upwards, and the RSI here, the RSI is overbought as well. Coming 4 hour charts, and when you see the 4 hour chart, see this sideways flag formation here, very important for net gas to trade below 3.3436 zone, which should confirm the reversal here. See what has happened here, look at the formation here. Rise, then the retracement, a bigger rise, it could start to retrace, and now the support levels at till towards 3.2 are very strong. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to the on the daily charts, the formation is almost similar what we had seen: drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, higher highs. Now if you connect the highs here and connect the lows, you will find the highs are now towards 3.35 levels, breaking beyond which 3.6 should appear, and these are very critical registers. Also now if you look at the formation here, see increasing body size, increasing bullishness, hitting higher highs. Now the prices are trying to consolidate a bit. It may try to reverse a little, it may try to swing in a zone. Possibility is there that it can erase some of the gains, but I will say it is still not going to turn bearish here. Waiting for a breakout natural gas, because see once it breaks out beyond 3.4344 to 43 zone, we can look forward to a move towards 3.48, 3.5 levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, is still bullish looking upwards. RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy net gas at 3.4243 zone, expected to move towards 3.4546, and then 3.5 levels are possible. Beyond 3.5, sky is the limit. You can stay bullish for 3.54 and 3.6 levels at the next. On the downside, ideally you have to wait for 3.3435 to be taken, but yes, those who are willing to jump in a little early, you can sell at 3.38, expect 3.36, 3.34. And if 3.34 is taken today, stay short for 3.3, and in fact 3.26, 3.2 levels should appear, which are great support levels for natural gas for the day. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.